Have you ever wondered about the tiny worlds that whiz past our planet, the asteroids? These celestial bodies, often overlooked in the grandeur of our universe, are worlds unto themselves. With over 1 million known asteroids, the mysteries and wonders they hold are as vast as the cosmos itself. The year 2023 was a remarkable year for these unsung celestial marvels. Asteroids, with their strange materials and idiosyncratic orbits, brought some of the most riveting astronomy stories of the year. We saw missions returning with pieces of these distant rocks, traces of RNA discovered in asteroid fragments from our solar system's dawn, and even asteroids with peculiar orbits that left scientists scratching their heads. Take Phaethon, for instance, an asteroid with an orbit as odd as its name. Drifting as far from the Sun as Jupiter at its farthest, and coming closer to the Sun than any other known asteroid at its nearest, Phaethon is a celestial conundrum. Its spectacular tail, which should remain visible even at the farthest point in its orbit if made of ice and carbon dioxide, mysteriously disappears. This intriguing behavior led to an investigation that identified a unique mineral palette, marking Phaethon as a CY carbonaceous chondrite. Another noteworthy event of 2023 was the triumphant return of Osiris-Rex. After a journey of 7 years and 4 billion miles, this spacecraft brought back a special delivery from its destination, Asteroid Bennu. The samples, likely adding up to about 8.8 ounces of Bennu's dust and broken rock, are set to help scientists study whether asteroids like Bennu once brought water and organic material to Earth. But the journey of Osiris-Rex is far from over. After a brief visit to Earth, the spacecraft embarked on another journey. Its next destination? The near-Earth asteroid, Apophis, which it will reach in 2029. So, let's dive into the most intriguing asteroid encounters of 2023. The first asteroid that caught our attention in 2023 was Phaethon. Unlike any other, Phaethon follows an unusually eccentric orbit. At its most distant, it meanders as far from the Sun as Jupiter, while at its closest, it dares to approach closer to the Sun than any other known asteroid. But it's the tail that truly sets Phaethon apart, a spectacular display that raised a fascinating conundrum. If it were composed of ice and carbon dioxide, the tail should still be visible even at the asteroid's most distant point in orbit, yet it mysteriously disappears. To unravel this enigma, astronomers turned to NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, comparing infrared observations of Phaethon with laboratory test results. What they found was a mineral palette that paints Phaethon as a rare CY carbonaceous chondrite asteroid. The presence of olivine, carbonates, iron sulfides, and oxide minerals, intriguingly, seemed to be the key to the disappearing tail. As Phaethon hurtles towards the Sun, its interior heats up, causing these minerals to release carbon dioxide, water vapor, and sulfur gas. This volatile cocktail forms the tail that follows Phaethon on its journey around the Sun, but when the asteroid drifts farther out into the cold expanse of space, the tail simply vanishes. Mikael Granvik, an astronomer from the University of Helsinki, expressed his excitement, stating, "It was great to see how each one of the discovered minerals seemed to fall into place and also explain the behavior of the asteroid. Indeed, each mineral, each molecule, contributes to the story of Phaethon, and in turn, to our understanding of asteroids." The tale of Phaethon is one of intrigue and discovery, of questioning what we know and pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, every celestial body has its own unique story to tell. This discovery has provided invaluable insights into the composition and behavior of asteroids. The second asteroid encounter of 2023 was not just a flyby, but a rendezvous with asteroid Bennu. 7 years prior, on September 8, 2016, Osiris-Rex embarked on an epic journey from Earth. The mission was ambitious, its goal, to reach out to the cosmic body Bennu and bring back a piece of it. Osiris-Rex, or the origins, spectral interpretation, resource identification, security, regolith explorer, was not just any space probe. It was a pioneer, sent on a sampling quest to this near-Earth asteroid. The choice of Bennu was not random. Scientists believed that this asteroid held a considerable amount of carbon-based material, relics from the early solar system that could reveal secrets about our own planetary birth. After a voyage spanning over 4 billion miles, the spacecraft reached its destination. The precision and complexity of the mission were awe-inspiring. The spacecraft had to match Bennu's speed and orbit, descend to its surface, collect the samples, and then safely ascend. The return journey was no less extraordinary. The spacecraft came back to Earth, carrying with it a capsule containing about 8.8 ounces of Bennu's dust and broken rock. This tiny amount of sample, parachuted into the Utah desert from 63,000 miles away, was a monumental achievement for mankind. These samples will help scientists study whether asteroids like Bennu once played a role in bringing water and organic material to Earth, potentially seeding life as we know it. However, OSIRIS-REx's mission is far from over. After a brief stay on Earth, the spacecraft departed again, setting course for a new destination, the near-Earth asteroid Apophis. Expected to arrive in the year 2029, this next chapter promises new discoveries and insights into our universe. The successful return of OSIRIS-REx has marked a new chapter in asteroid exploration. The mission showed us that asteroids are not just distant celestial bodies. They are treasure troves of knowledge, waiting for us to unlock their secrets. And as we venture further into the cosmos, who knows what other marvels await us on these cosmic shores? But why were the samples from Bennu so significant, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the cosmic importance of these tiny fragments of the universe. Bennu was chosen as the target for OSIRIS-REx's mission not by chance, but because it was believed to hold an abundance of carbon-based material. Carbon, as we know, is the key element in the organic chemistry of life as we know it. The presence of carbon-based compounds on Bennu suggests that asteroids like Bennu could potentially be time capsules from the early solar system. The samples brought back from Bennu, weighing in at approximately 8.8 ounces, are more than just dust and broken rock. They are fragments of the past, pieces of a primordial puzzle that could help us understand the origins of our own planet. So how does this work? Well, by studying these samples, scientists can analyze the composition and structure of the asteroid. This information can provide crucial clues about the conditions that existed in the early solar system. Moreover, the analysis of these samples might also shed light on a long-standing scientific question. Did asteroids like Bennu play a role in bringing water and organic material to Earth? If so, they could have been instrumental in creating the conditions necessary for life to evolve on our planet. It's a bit like being a cosmic detective. The samples are the clues, and the laboratory is the crime scene. By piecing together these clues, scientists can reconstruct the events that took place billions of years ago, providing us with a better understanding of our place in the universe. In other words, these samples are not just rocks. They're a window into our past. They hold the potential to answer some of the most fundamental questions about our origins and our planet's history. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each star, each planet, and yes, each asteroid tells a story. And thanks to missions like OSIRIS-REx, we're starting to unravel these stories, one asteroid at a time. The samples from Bennu could potentially unlock the secrets of our planet's past. The asteroid encounters of 2023 are not the end of the story. Quite the contrary, they are the prologue to an even more exciting chapter in our exploration of the universe. As we turn the page, our eyes are set on a new destination, the near-Earth asteroid, Apophis. The name Apophis, derived from ancient Egyptian mythology, is synonymous with chaos and destruction. But fear not, for our journey to Apophis is fueled by curiosity, not calamity. This celestial body, measuring 370 meters in diameter, has intrigued astronomers since its discovery in 2004. And now, it's time for a close-up. After its successful rendezvous with Bennu, OSIRIS-REx, the intrepid explorer of the cosmos, is setting course for Apophis. The spacecraft, already a veteran of asteroid encounters, is expected to reach Apophis in the year 2029. It's an ambitious timeline, but one that promises to yield unprecedented insights into the nature of asteroids. As OSIRIS-REx embarks on its journey, it carries with it the hopes and aspirations of scientists worldwide. The mission to Apophis presents a unique opportunity to study an asteroid up close, in unprecedented detail. The data gathered could shed light on the formation of our solar system, the origins of life, and perhaps even our destiny in the cosmos. But the journey to Apophis is more than a scientific expedition. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a reminder that we are not merely inhabitants of this universe, but active participants in its exploration. Each discovery, each revelation brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. As we bid farewell to 2023, we look forward with anticipation to the future encounters with our universe's tiny marvels, the asteroids. The journey continues, and with it, our quest for knowledge. Apophis awaits, and so does the next chapter in our cosmic odyssey. So, buckle up, fellow explorers, because the adventure is just getting started.